unbeaten run for us to folk at Wasso. Endra. They say, has team no. They say, I never called you a bad nipa. And Justice will play another hat trick. Don Diego Jazambuja. Albert in Duonde. Masa, has team na you. Flibo.
Yasepu Bia.
Has team na you. Like, they say, has team no, and Yanabakuso.
Now, who do you know? Kojobi.
Still.
Obobiana.
Obobi. Free bench.
Free bench.
Still, could you miss you go?
In the time, baby.
Wouldn't I ask for strike a be free a yaba? Sissy. But don't know mobile. I'm asking for Sissy at a free outside aba. Now, Andrew has said 3-1 against Vision FC. Albert.
Nations FC.
Vision FC.
Oh, okay.
And Nations then in Yamada Mochana.
Fantastic.
How many Vision FC? Albert in Dionde, aka Don Diego de Azambuja, Obo hat trick. Edema Accra has the folk. Almost a Vision by 3-1. Now, Yamada has won the last game. Our preseason. Yamada China against a year Nations. Now, few Omudia room over the Ghana Premier League. Now, is a has team no? I never quite common here scoring. Also, much someone almost less than 2, 3, 4, 5,
1 so crack
3, 11 on. Almost score and almost score no so no like strikers no so say. But only the negative is has a consider.
When they score 3, no one consider 1.
Yes, match be even though I say 11 come consider 11-1. Yeah. Like match be has a consider. But the good news when they say has the folk still scoring. I didn't have a problem in last season. Last season goes from consider here. Not a dozen goes from say. No more top scorer. 4 goals. York any
Benjamin York.
Any
Caleb.
Kalamangwa. Almost say 4 goals. But this time around, Ramos, Casara, Wanet, Ese, Surat, Ese. Latest one the Don Diego Diazambuja. Albert Diondi. Also the last match was a 1.
Yeah.
And then Roa or Sabo hat trick. And the Ama has a folk. Just I'm saying if I'm free way. Has a complete season. I can last match no mudi room.
Prince team winia. Na din so betimi a criticize team krono. Se team start ball. O start pre-seasons. Na enoma wo ye no bibia da na kwamu. Na se bibia fa na se bibia koyia. Din so benya semboni bi akandia fa team krono. And what your parade on some all can in under normal circumstances. Ka baby club bisan and send some baby, especially their way of buying players. Kebit mention some baby maybe say sound. But at this point, a quite for some young recruitment, you know, and more resource. Because you start the league in it, but in the pre-season, and no ma koye at the Mao.
The ama Andra de no Mami Francis Pro Andra de ma eye feka kra ne say after the match no has the folk right after the match and I know players ni nyina say like understanding no dona more Andra technical team ni coach on present match day ball at hat-trick and the ma ndondi enti we building team spirit Filipo afel more recommend you
is Maka was say has no idea. The last time my video that coach Diasa so building on the player relationship.
That's a bomb material.
Almost anya
dina. Gather place in say yenko dina. Na we PS mu na ye we Barcelona mu we Barcelona. Na ya present ball e dey am player no say. Dem be say yeah, e be see da.
Has akose. A friendly game 3-1. A player gave hat-trick in a pre-season and got some of these things in Kenya. Because pre-season they are about preparation match and came for ball and match. But in order for Albert in Jode, so that's why we're not bored and in a boy minyano he during the pre-season I gave a hat trick when the season starts or something to remember to work hard. Real Madrid, Chelsea, no team and a cup pre-season not play a hat trick near the ball man no. And when the season starts an official sanctioning matches and I will brace as a hat trick now match day ball near the amount. But with this thing happening in House of Folk, they play a friendly game off season, unofficial match, and yet a sanction match. A player gave a hat trick. Fantastic. And the very good thing is that players crown almost they are well motivated to be in House of Folk, especially your own striker, Kojo Obin Jr. I look at the video and the way a man or Tiono and mingle with the other colleagues, there is nothing at stake. Maybe the coach has plans for him and he's enjoying the motivation at camp and the spirit going on within the team. But a very good thing is Brony be Brony all the time. Because we already who say, let's put the confidence from now, off season. Near season. Coach will baby, but the technical man who sees us first. Both a man, Mema, and Corano. And I say, no, let's hand over the ball to the player. Send your player Albert in John, that scored only 1 goal last season.
The last one should go.
Oh, sir.
I'm saying, season, you started preseason was saying,
fantastic.
Last
fantastic. Albert in John, I want to say even a single goal for House of Folk. Now, what's a hat trick our preseason for born a man? And then, as signify say, you started season now. Albert in John will be better kind of say, one year on working hard. Our the season proper because, or sorry, or a ball. We don't find a 2 for man crank or the concerning store case in Seven what you say. Nothing, or Kai or Bien Bagima or Koli Chroma or the Beko. I score a hat trick and I had this ball. It will be a memorable, event. Eddie Ama around your friend Albert in Jody. Very good thing, and of course, we have to focus. You more, so media. You see, by 4 and an inside
104.
By 4 the one the power. Ten you, Mimi, who the of course will have to focus. Say, ya the pa. Yabeka, it's the other bread.
And there ain't so a cruma.
And tell see, yes,
you see that. Say, how's a book game? Yakodina, players in fresh. You're presentable, send a working. And your official match. Friendly game. You're presentable. 3 hat-trick ball at the player. A form of like motivation.
Fantastic.
Brunino
has bring or the Nyama be brain about House of Folk because he say has equal say ya their season. They are already a winner. Say ya and Nyama called Yama has. No the best start this season, and they call it say ya dia. House of Folk is already a league winner because a positive stories. And there's a couple of Maya Utio Pariadua. Was it they have a very good infrastructure help man. And the reason why I'm call is a Kofodia and they say an environment that suit what is at Pobimai
104.9
FM. You, eti omope enyama eye papa, but I can also advise them say, your league na airborne kwasi. Enye Pobimai ko na ball matches. Ubeko betem. Ubeko say Sunyan Coronation Park. So sometimes also munya park ni mu bia. And ready to the standard of Pobimai no. Na mun training was so that moko ehonom na also born day. That is the only advice I could also give it to them because when you have very good pitches, that made training was so boss.
Now kunya saka.
One house
Prince. Areba can say. I'm very, very happy for House of Folk moving House of Folk from Accra to Eastern Region. Why? House our supporters are Ebuo Eastern Region. They also need to feel about how our House of Folk players in Norman City. So there are supporters of more Eastern Region. Omunya House of Folk team in Ukraine. So for them to move the team from Accra to Eastern Region, Ebema they feel although I was supporters in them our Eastern Region and after House of Folk players no Ebeba. Enunti opa okwa brochire eduru maybe a pre-season na Madrid no more movie no more US. Na Chelsea, maybe almost call Singapore. Na Man City, Echo Japan. And they say England will make me training. Or make me training. But they do baby. Those supporters now, Abia Omunin can almost watch, they need to feel how our supporters, any players in the team, or don't bond, is it here. So it's good. And House of Football boy, say it's serious supporters.
Yeah.
And would you say the bond between the supporters and the team, the
Eastern Force of Philip team.
A massive.
Massive.
Perfect. Because who know how a team is it here. Wama odo and the Kofabia but team no any supporters in them. That is how the whole team is supposed to be. Next time, you should move beyond Eastern Region. Ebia enko Tamale so because if you go to Tamale, your House of Folk supporters almost what Tamale. I think it's a good thing. On a branch of friend Albert Ndwondi. Prince, you see, competition is very, very good. If you say, wow, some competition, be no yin papa. Competition, a idea a here pa. Bringing in Kasera Wanet, ebe improving the lives of Albert Ndwondi and Abranti Ayefane Kobi Obin Jr. the more Albert in doing the air and Kojo Obin Junior super status why you know. Kasera Wanet Airsen. A best Mrantana can soon cry for them to back up. Last season, Kasera Wanet in your Lay Albert in doing the Kojo Obin Junior Benjamin York. Eh, dadana. Strikers no be and say, and there Benjamin York Bebo. Kojo Obin Junior better bench. I do
somebody in Cologne.
Cologne. I think before Quatano.
Yeah, before.
So it's good say what you obi to say Kasera Beba. Kasera Beba started say oh ire no hono. Ebe motivated the lives of Albert Ndwandi and Kojo Obin Junior. Let's give these guys chance. I think they will perform.